Hey guys! So I have a very special how to draw video for you guys today. We're gonna be drawing, honestly, my favorite dinosaur, a Triceratops. Woo! First things first, in the video, I will be drawing with a black marker just so that you can see it better on the screen. It's best to use a pencil to sketch in case you make a mistake, then you can erase it. For example, if I made a mistake on my Triceratops, I would not be able to erase it using black markers. So start out in pencil first and then trace over it when you're done, okay? All right, let's get into the video. Alrighty, before we start, make sure your paper is the long way. The long way, not the tall way, but the long way. Let's get started. First, we're gonna start right here on our paper and we're gonna draw a curved line. Then we're gonna draw an oval, a circle, and another circle. Color in the middle circle. Ta-da! Now we're gonna draw the back of his head. Now, Triceratops' head is very big. Like that. And he needs some spikies. 1, 2, 3. And draw some detail right there. Curved line. Another spiky on his nose. Curve down. Curve up. That's gonna be his mouth. Curve down. Curve in. We can't forget his little nostril. Now we need to draw his neck. So 1 line, 2 lines, stop. 2 lines there for detail. Then we're gonna do his back, curved line, and his tail. Just like that. Then his first leg. 1. Squiggle. Down. Up. Back up again. Line, line. And then boop, boop, boop for his toes. Then burp. Now we're gonna do his other foot. Burp. Boop. Curved line all the way around. Up. And back in. Then same thing on this side. 1 toe, 2 toes, 3. All right, he's got his first 2 legs. Let's do his other 2. Curve in. And then curve. We're gonna make his hind legs a little bit different than his front legs. So 1, 2. Down. Curved line. Try to make sure these 2 feet are on the same level. In. And then connect it to where the tail is. Burp, burp. And then 1, 2, 3. Good, now he only needs 1 more foot. Curved line. Down, curved line, top. And then 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna add one more little line, and here we have our Triceratops. Now my Triceratops is gonna live in the grassland, so I'm gonna give it some grass around here. I make grass by going out, in, out, in, out, in. Now you can make your background look however you want, but I'm going to put a lot of grass in my background. I'm gonna draw some rocks, because why not? It's a rocky area. Draw some more rocks over here. And then I'm gonna draw the sun. And some clouds. Straight line on the bottom. Squiggly on the top. Straight line on the bottom. Squiggly on the top. Here's our beautiful Triceratops. Alrighty, once you're done drawing your Triceratops and his background, go ahead and color your Triceratops. Now I colored mine this nice red pink color, but you can color your Triceratops any color you want. I made the grass green, the rocks are gray, the sky is blue, the sun is orange and yellow. And there you have it. Go ahead and take the time right now to color your beautiful drawing. All right, and that's how you draw a Triceratops. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have a suggestion for what you'd like me to make a video on how to draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section and I might choose it for the next one. Alrighty, bye guys.